Hello everyone, welcome to NextGen AI Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about variable naming convention. Is naming a variable that much important? Definitely. Just consider our case, our parents follow some set of rules to name us based on our gender. Sometimes some parents follow some numerology, astrology, and so on. So they follow some certain rules. Same way, in order to name a variable in Java, we have to follow some rules. We have many rules here. Rather than seeing theoretically, let's implement one by one. Let's create a new class. Variable namings, public static void main, finish. A new class is created. First point we have to remember, a variable name can consist of capital letters, that is uppercase, then small letter, lowercase, small a to z, and numbers from 0 to 9, and two special characters are allowed, underscore and $sign. So for example, as I already said, we have to give the data type in order to name the variable. So it's an integer salary. Here I am not assigning any value, just declaring this variable salary. All lowercase. Now it can also be in uppercase. Int salary. Now another new rule I am implementing here. Variable namings are case sensitive. It means even though both of them seem same, salary and salary, but this is in lowercase and this one is in uppercase. It means both salary are different because each letter will have its own ASCII code. In Java, variable names are case sensitive. We can also use digit and two special character. Let me show that. Int salary. Here uppercase is there, lowercase is there. Number 3, this is also fine. Then one more, int salary, I can use underscore. In salary, I can use dollar symbol. And third point, variable names must begin with a letter. Keep this in mind. It means indirect meaning it can't start with a digit. In this example, every variable started with a letter. The next rule is variable name cannot begin with a number. I said just before, for example, int put number 0, roll number. See here, you got the error. It cannot start with any number. Fifth rule, blank space cannot be used in the variable name. In the previous example, we named like this, first name. When you try to insert a blank space, you will get the syntax error. So blank space not allowed. And the sixth point is Java keywords cannot be used. Keywords means like if, else, so many keywords. We have it in Java. Those keywords we cannot use it for naming a variable. Integer, for example, if is a keyword. It's not working. One more data type, float, and while is a keyword. It means you cannot use a Java keywords if while these are all the keywords for naming a variable. The seventh point is the most important one you have to remember, and this rule you have to follow for all the variables. We have to use the lower camel case. What that mean? In the previous example, we mentioned string equal to first name. This is the lower camel casing. It means first letter in first word always must be in lower case. And second word, first letter, we can have it in the uppercase. So this is what we call it as lower camel case. You must follow this while naming your variables. If you remember the seventh point, it is more than enough. One more example, string, you can say last name. String, what if we have three words? For example, employee, salary, details. Here you can see first letter of first word small letter and first letter of second word is capital and first letter of third word is capital. So this is called lower camel case. Very important topic. A short recap, we can use capital letter, lowercase, uppercase, digit and two special character. It must start with a letter. We can also begin with dollar and underscore, but it is not advisable, and it cannot begin with a number. Blank space not allowed, and it's a case sensitive. For information, VB script, it's a case insensitive, especially in UFT tool. This automation and this automation remains the same. And Java keywords cannot be used, and we must always follow the lower camel case. Hope you got a very clear picture about the variable namings. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.